Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to create, append and remove the list in Python. So we'll be using or trying to display the menu, and based on the choices that user enters, so we'll be trying to perform all the three actions. So first let us try to create a list. Let's take a variable that is my list and assign it to an empty list. So let us try to print a user-friendly message. So list has been created, or let's say empty list has been created. Empty list has been created. Yeah, so once we done creating the list, so let us try to use the infinite while loop and try to keep asking a user to enter the choices. So let's use a while, and we'll be using the true while true. So this is an infinite loop. So let us try to ask a user to enter choice. So let me take a variable that is choice. So let me delete this. This is not a variable that I was looking. Choice is equals to, so let's use a input function call to ask a user to display the menu. So 1 for the append, 2 for remove, 3 for display the list, and 0 for exit. Yeah, so this is a menu, and in the next line, so let us try to print enter choice. Let's give colon, and here also we'll be trying to print a new line. Yeah, so once the user enters the choice, so it will be of string type. So let us convert this to an integer type using the type conversion. Yeah, so once we are done getting the choice, so we'll be trying to perform the actions based on that. So let's use a if else block. So if choice is equals to 1, so we have to perform the append. So let's take a function list underscore append. So this is a function to append the item into the list. So let's pass two argument, that is my list comma value. So in order to get the value, so let's use again the input function call inside this choice itself. So let's say enter list item. So let us try to have the list containing the integers or numbers. So let us try to convert the whatever the user enters from string type to an integer type. So we have to define this list underscore append function. So let us try to define, so list append. So let's use a lambda function. The input argument to this lambda function is l, that is a list comma value. So let us try to append this l dot append the value. Yeah, so this is a function or the lambda function to append the value. So now let's take another else if block. Choice is equals to 2. So this for the remove. So let me copy paste the same list underscore remove. This is a just a slight change. Enter list item to remove, and we have to define this given function whatever we have written. So let's try to define. So let me copy paste the same, that is instead of append, so we'll be using remove. And also we have to check if v is present in the l, that is if item is present in the l, so that is we have to remove it. Else what we have to do is we have to print a message, that is an error message. So let's say f and item colon v not present in the list. Yeah, so this is the error message that we are trying to print. So now let's take another else if block and try to check if choice is equals to 3. So then what we have to do is we have to display the list. So let's take a function list underscore display my underscore list. So this is a function, and we are trying to pass the list. So let me copy paste the same and try to define the function, that is list display is equals to, let's give lambda of l. So let's try to print and let's say current list, let's give L, comma L. So let us try to print this in the next line. Yeah, so these are the three functions that we have defined over here. Yeah, so once we are done, so let us try to check if choice is equals to 0. So let us try to exit. Else if choice is equals to 0, so what we have to do is we have to break the while loop. So else, so let's take a else block. So let us try to print an invalid choice entered. Try again. Retry, or let's say try again. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to create a list. So here we are trying to create a list. So then we are trying to append it, remove it, and also trying to display it using the third choice. So let me run this and let me show you how it works. So running the program, so empty list has been created. So you can see menu 1 for append, 2 for remove, 3 for display. So let us try to display it. So you can see current list doesn't have anything. So let us try to append it. So enter the list item. So let's give 12 and let's again append it. So let's give 23. So now let us try to display the list items. So let me 3. So you can see current list is 12 and 23. So let's give 23 over here. So you can see invalid choice has been entered. So it is a, I'm trying to remove, but I tried 23. So let us try to remove again, that is 2, and I have to remove 23. So you can see the list has been, that is item has been removed. So let me try to display it. So you can see only 12 exists. So let me try again, try to remove an item that doesn't exist. So item to remove, let's give 11. So you can see item 11 not present in the list. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So let me exit, close this. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to create, append and remove list in Python. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.